Happy New Year and welcome to the first month of the 2019 videos on Justhands-on.tv. This month we meet Sherilyn Tyler, a textile artist who loves to use soluble fabric and free motion stitching to create her exquisite art installations which tell stories. We are also taking the opportunity of revisiting a fascinating exhibition called Living in the Middle from a group called Stitch in the Middle that took place in Ledbury. The exhibition had an architectural theme and professional textile artist Hilary Beattie acts as our guide. Workshops this month include one from Helen Butcher with her modern improvised quilt pattern known as Rattle, a super little patchwork cushion with Valerie Nesbitt using Lewis and Irene fabric from the Water Meadow range, and Jenny Raymond brings us a very practical workshop on creating a useful oven glove, as well as a quirky workshop using the Fat Cat template from Easy Quilting. There are also two more blocks coming up from those of you working on the Your First Sampler Quilt series with Valerie. Block 8 is the visually fascinating Pinwheels block, whilst Block 9 is a classic log cabin. Our Throwback Thursday is entitled Seams Common Sense and has Jenny and Valerie discussing the merits of open or flat. Is there a right and a wrong? New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.